Hi, do you want super quick vegan high protein recipes in 5 minutes if you're anything like anyone who's ever not succeeded with a diet? I'm willing to bet boredom was a big culprit. You see, it's easy to get into a rut and start eating the same thing over and over, feel frustrated, and then give up. This is especially true for anyone struggling to transition to a vegan diet. But thanks to the 1-month vegan challenge, it's so much easier to become a vegan as of today. The number of people adopting veganism and opting for vegan diets has increased by about 300%. Yes, the vegan phenomenon, veganism, has become one of the fastest growing diet trends, so it's easy to say it's the hottest diets in the world right now. A vegan diet is part of a lifestyle that excludes the consumption or use of any products made from animals and prevents almost all life-threatening diseases that is caused mainly from eating meat and dairy products. Now, the reason I'm sending this video is because you can finally get all the amazing benefits of a vegan diet: lose body fat easily, glowing skin, unlimited energy, muscle tone, better mood, protect against major diseases and more. How? I'm glad you asked. Check out the 1-month vegan challenge.